This love is like the ocean that's crashing over me. It's like falling rain on the driest plains as far as eyes can see. And this love is like the trees that are looking down on top of me. And this love is like no other. It's right where I wanna be. Nobody
Po ay nagkakatipon ngayon, mga kapatid, sa harapan po ng Diyos upang pagbuklurin sina kapatid na Arjon de los Santos at kapatid na Arlene Reyes.
Nobody loves you like I do, and I can't get enough of you, and I don't ever want to. This love is like the church bells, as loud as they can ring.
Ang pag-aasawa po ay itinatag ng Diyos at ito'y pinatutunayan ng mga pahayag na isinasaad sa unang aklat ng Biblia. Itinuro ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo na sa pagkakasal ay pinapagsasama ng Diyos ang lalaki at babae upang maging isang laman lamang sa paningin ng may kapal.
For everyone to see, yeah, this love is like no other. It's taking over me. Nobody loves you like I do, and I never want.
Ang singsing na ito ay ibinibigay ko sa iyo bilang sagisag at pangako ng ating patuloy at nananatiling pag-ibig.
I don't ever want to. This love is like a mystery that's folding out in front of me. Yeah, this love is like no other. It's right where